Welcome to AuditOne, where we ensure the integrity and security of blockchain protocols. Today we're excited to share our recent audit for Unicrow, a pioneering payment and escrow protocol. Let's dive in. Unicrow stands out in the digital space. It is a censorship-resistant payment and escrow protocol that enables two parties to trade goods, assets, or services in the real world in a trust-minimized, efficient, and secure way. At AuditOne, we began our journey with Unicrow on November 21, 2022. After thorough analysis and testing, we completed the audit on December 14, 2022. We audited Unicrow's ERC-20 contract, meticulously written in Solidity. Our findings were impressive: a security score of 95%, code quality at 95%, and a stellar 100% in documentation quality. Let's review our findings. Possibility for the owner to withdraw user funds. The project owner can withdraw user funds when locked in the contract. Buyer can withdraw funds intentionally via front-running with propose arbitrator function. By correctly timing the attack, the buyer can withdraw funds of the seller. Re-entrancy to Unicrow claim can be claimed twice. Attacker can claim an escrow twice, drain all funds in the Unicrow contract. Any party can reject receiving funds to prevent escrow from settling/claiming. Escrow cannot be settled. Any party who is upset about the arbitrator split can simply do the claim functionality. This means all parties involved in escrow will not receive the funds. Rounding issue can lead to lacking funds in the contract. Claiming escrow takes more than expected. If the contract has other escrows, they will be lacking funds. If the contract has only one escrow with that currency, escrow cannot be claimed. Division before multiplication can cause round-down issue. Almost in all the places it is happening. Computation is done such that the division is first and then multiplication. Split calculation. The seller can get an unfair amount of share when underflow happens. Seller can get more shares and the percentage will reach the maximum limit, which could lead to a halt in the running of escrow, and ower settlement will struck. Seller share is calculated inside an unchecked state. When underflow happens, the seller will receive a huge share. Rounding down caused leftover funds in the contract. Some token Ys are left in the contract. If currency is a low decimal low cap token, the leftover amount could have a high value. Unsupported for transfer with fee token. A low amount of funds would be received by the vault for transfer with fee tokens. The fee could be 0 for small decimal tokens. Chance for funds to be stuck in the contract. The fee is calculated as follows payments. The arbitrator cannot be revoked. If the contract finds that the current arbitrator is misbehaving, it cannot reset the arbitrator. There are no functions and ways to revoke the arbitrator. Two-step governance change. All governance functions would not be callable if governance is set incorrectly. Should change types of decimal to uint8. The decimal of token struct used uint256, but usually it is used the type of uint8 for the decimal. Address 0 check. The update governance is used to change the governance address by governance address, but if it is executed with address 0 mistakenly, this governance can't change permanently. It is unlikely to happen, but you should add this check to prevent such a mistake. Add immutable keyword. The comment says to use immutable, but the implementation does not. The arbitrator should not be the seller or buyer. The arbitrator can either be a seller or buyer, which will not be helpful for a fair arbitrator. Propose arbitrator is called either by buyer or seller to fix the arbitrator, but it does not check whether the arbitrator is a buyer or seller. The marketplace can be 0 address, but still having makes it impossible to claim the escrow. Buyer can mistakenly send ETH to contract and ETH is locked. ETH mistakenly sent through pay is not returned to the buyer but is locked in the contract. No handling with MSG.value, but there is a payable keyword. We truly enjoyed auditing the Unicrow smart contract, exploring its unique features and confirming its strong security. At AuditOne, we're committed to ensuring the safety and efficiency of blockchain protocols. Thank you for joining us on this journey. For more information, visit our website or follow us on social media. AuditOne, your trusted partner in blockchain security.